If Discord is showing error 798, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back online fast. This is a very common connection style issue, and in many cases, it can be solved by refreshing the app, clearing cached files, or turning off network tools like proxies and VPNs that may be interfering with Discord's connection. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, try a hard refresh and restart. If you're using Discord in your browser or on the desktop app, press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac to force the client to reload and reconnect to Discord servers. Sometimes that's all it takes to clear a temporary connection problem. If the issue still continues, fully close Discord. Don't just minimize it. Make sure the app is completely shut down. If Discord refuses to close, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Then look for any Discord background processes. Right-click each one you see and choose End Task. This clears out any stuck processes that may be causing the error. Next, clear the Discord cache. Cached files can become corrupted over time, and that can trigger errors like this. 1. To do this, press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog. In the box, type %appdata%\discord and press Enter. This will open Discord's app data folder. Inside, look for the cache folder and delete it. If you want, you can also check for other temporary folders while you're here, but the cache folder is the main one to focus on for this fix. After deleting it, reopen Discord and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem. If you're still seeing error 798, the next thing to check is your proxy or VPN connection. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block or reroute Discord traffic in a way that causes login or connection errors. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and test Discord again. If you're on Windows, you should also check your proxy settings. Go to Control Panel, then Network and Internet, then Internet Options. Open the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. Here, make sure the option that says Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. If it is enabled, disable it, click OK, and then try Discord again. This step is important because even if you're not intentionally using a proxy, a hidden setting can still interfere with the app. After that, reopen Discord and check if the error has been fixed. If it loads normally, then one of those steps was the cause. If not, repeat the cache clear after fully closing the app, and make sure no VPN or proxy is active in the background. It's also a good idea to restart your computer after making these changes, because a reboot can help reset network connections and fully apply the fixes. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix Discord error 798. Hard refreshing and restarting, clearing the cache, and disabling proxies and VPNs. These are some of the quickest and most effective troubleshooting steps you can try when Discord won't connect properly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and let me know in the comments if this solved the problem for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.